2020 Honda Insight price and interior. The Insight had been a crossbreed delivered by Honda into an assortment of decades. The first was the two-front entryway economy bundle, when the secondly was various entryway crossbreed, which happened to wind up the least expensive auto of its right. In any case, the auto has without a doubt been stopped in 2014 and changed by extra autos, which are not just more productive by additionally more huge. Won't foresee anything at all, also sublime about the moving toward understanding. Thinking about the auto's anticipated value, it will be innocuous to accept it doesn't paralyze its customer base with the phenomenal nature of the things within. Be that as it may, it needs to keep on supplying a genuine more than revise experience. In all actuality, some exhorted the Honda Insight could have a comparable inside plan for that of this Civic. The only bona fide extensive separation could be the melodic instrument aggregate, which can be set up on the center heap in the organization new Honda Insight. At whatever point we consider that the simply examination donkey, which more often than not Honda stays to be toward the start of a phase of the module's improvement, organization new Honda Insight will probably be discharged in 2018. Conclusion: result must be a crossbreed which will are more affordable contrasted with $20,000. At the point when Honda manages this, from that point forward, this Insight may turn into the best advancing auto inside its course by an extraordinary outskirt.